Good day, grade 9. So today we will be discussing how to solve the problems involving angle of depression. So here's our example. From the top of a vertical cliff 40 meters high, the angle of depression, of an object that is level within the base of the cliff is 34 degrees. So we are asked to find how far is the object from the base of the cliff. Kapag angle of depression, ang suggestion ko, you start with the horizontal line. So let's say here is our horizontal line. So sabihin natin, ito yung horizontal line natin. Edit lang natin ng konti. Okay. So kung ito yung horizontal line natin, ngayon, ang goal natin ay, ang sabi kasi, ang angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight. Since angle of depression nga, downward yung line of sight. So, pag draw natin yung line of sight, pababa. Okay, ayusin lang natin ng konti. Okay. So, ang sabi ay, yung angle of depression daw, from the object, okay, so the depression from the observer to the object is 34 degrees. So, label lang natin yan. So, ito daw ay 34 degrees. Ngayon, aside from that, may iba pa tayong given. Ang sabi, from the top of a vertical cliff 40 meters high. So, yung altitude, so kung nandito yung ating cliff, yung altitude pababa, so maganda niya, mag-draw rin tayo ng ground. So, ito yung pinaka-ground natin. Okay? So, ang sabi, yung taas daw ng cliff vertically is 40 meters high. So, ito ay 40 meters. So, ngayon, ito yung object. Nandito yung object natin. Okay. Now, we were asked to find how far is the object from the base of the cliff. So, tandaan mo, ito yung cliff natin. So, from the base of it, so mula dito, pa ganito. So, ang hinahanap ay yung segment na to, papunta dito. Okay? Now, tandaan mo, since this is angle of depression, sa totoo lang, di ba, congruent to, saka ito. Pero para hindi kayo malito, dito ako gagawa ng segment. So, gawa tayo ng line dito. Okay. Now, tandaan, this part is congruent to this part. So, this is also 40 meters. Reason, parallel ito, saka ito, congruent ito, saka ito, congruent din to, saka ito. Napag-usapan natin yan nung dinidiscuss natin yung relationship ng angle of elevation and depression. So, since congruent ito, saka ito yung hanapin natin. So, let's label it as X. So, ito yung ating right angle. So, from there, based on your reference angle, this is your opposite side. Then, this is your adjacent side. So, that would mean we will use tangent. So, tangent, 34 degrees. Again, this is your reference angle. Opposite, this is adjacent. So, that would be TOA. So, tangent, 34 degrees is equal to 40 all over X. Cross-multiplying, tandaan may invisible 1 doon. Okay, so cross-multiplying, we will have tangent 34 times X. Then, that would be 40 times 1, that is 40. Dividing both sides by tangent 34. So, cancel to. X now is equal to, you have your calculators, 40 over tangent 34. And that is 59.30. Okay, meters. Or, kapag hindi kayo masyadong familiar doon sa fraction or doon sa fraction function na inyong calculate, pwede rin 40 divided by tangent 34. And you'll still get the same answer.